Welcome to this video on the topic of statistics. In this video, we'll be learning how to use our graphics calculators to determine the center of a dataset. If we turn our attention to the dataset shown over here, what we have are the results of rolling a 4-sided dice 9 times. We can see the dataset is populated by some discrete data. What we're going to do is we're going to calculate the mean, find the median, and find the mode using a calculator on this dataset. So to do this, first thing I'm going to do is go to the top menu on my calculator and press 2 to go into stats mode. After that, I'm going to clear my memory, so I'll go across by F6 and then I'll del all, so delete all by F4. Now it's time to put the data in the calculator. Alright, my data's in the calculator. The next step is I need to calculate the mean, median, and mode. Now to do this, I might have to do a little bit of setting up. First thing I'll do is I'll go to F2 and click on Calc. From there, I might be tempted to press F1, but before I do this, I want to make sure my calculator is set up. To do this, I'll press F6 to go into Set. After which, we're interested in 1 bar mode. What this needs to do is it needs to be set to the list that we've currently put our data into. So to make sure that that's in, I'll press List and then I'll set it to List 1. In my case, it was already set to List 1. To find the center of data, I'm then going to press F1. The first piece of information that's revealed to me is the mean, so X bar. In this case, it's 2.33. This is in agreement with the original calculation shown here. Going down to get the median, we find med. In our case, it's 2. Again, it's in agreement. Next piece of information is the mode. In the calculator it says mod. In this case it says it's 1 and it's got a frequency of 3. Once again being in agreement with what we've found here. One thing to keep in mind with these calculators is that if you have more than one mode within your dataset, it's going to show up as mod 1, mod 2. So the calculator will identify there's more than one mode. Alright, let's go down and play with the next dataset. We have the results of rolling a 4-sided dice 10 times. Rather than using this one list here, I'm going to use the second list now. Putting in the data to my second list, my data is now in. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do set. I need to change the list to be to the second list. Now I can go 1 bar. What we can see is our mean for this dataset is 1.7. Again, it's in agreement. Our median is 1.5. And the mode, in this case, is equal to 1, once again, as it's got a frequency of 5. So in summary, in this video we set out to learn how to use our graphics calculators to find the mean, the median, and the mode.